5 cordless tools for shower remodeling, shower renovations, and shower builds. Number 1, a cordless drill. This is used for mixing thin set mortar, mixing grout, mixing your dry pack mortar for your shower pans, your shower beds, cutting holes in tile for shower doors, diamond hole saws, small, medium, and large. Number 2, grinders. Straight cuts. Miter cuts. Notch cuts. To scribe tile. And also cutting out holes in tile for your mixing valves. And your grinder for polishing. Polishing your quartz for your niche sill, bench, and curb. Polishing your mitered edges or your cut rough edges. And for polishing your scribed tile. A sawzall, specifically something like this, the atomic one-handed sawzall. You can get a lot more done, a lot faster with this one-handed low vibration sawzall. You can quickly cut out a flange for a fiberglass shower surround. You can cut up a fiberglass shower very quickly, cut up a fiberglass tub for removal for demo, quickly cut out framing, quickly cut ABS, quickly and easily cut plywood for your shower subfloor, this can cut cast iron without a problem, quickly and easily cut out foam board or drywall. This one-handed recip saw is amazing. Your impact driver, one of the most used tools for a bath and shower remodel. Best tool to screw in your backer board for shower preps. Inside pipe cutter for ABS. Brush cleaner to clean haze off of your tile. For framing your niche or niche, your shower curb, your shower bench, a pony wall. And for a mud mix ball for mixing up grout. The list goes on and on with an impact driver. Again, most used tool for a bathroom renovation, bathroom build, bathroom remodel. Number 5, your multi-tool. This is used daily as well. It cuts wood, ABS, drywall, foam board, pretty much everything. Cut out backer board for your shower mixing valve. Cut out foam board. with a proper blade, this can cut through wood and nails with a breeze. Again, one of the most used tools. And this almost made it to the list. Number 6, a roto hammer. Well, there you go. The top 5 cordless tools for a shower renovation or a shower remodel. Let me know in the link description below what your most used cordless tool is, and I'll see you guys on the next one.